Ant control in kitchens starts with consistent cleaning habits that remove the food and scent cues ants follow. Focus on wiping surfaces after every meal and snack, using a mild detergent or vinegar solution to remove grease and invisible sugar residues that attract ants. Clean crumbs from counters, tabletops, and inside toaster slots by tipping devices and using a small brush or vacuum crevice tool. Do not rely on a quick swipe that leaves particles behind. Mop floors at least once a week with hot water and a cleaning solution, and do a spot mop after any spills, paying special attention to grout lines and under appliances where sticky residues accumulate. Store dry goods in airtight containers made of glass or hard plastic rather than paper or thin plastic bags so scents do not permeate the packaging. Keep fruit and ripening produce in a bowl only for short periods and move it to the refrigerator or a sealed container once it becomes ripe. Manage trash in any compost collection by using bins with tight-fitting lids, emptying indoor trash daily when it contains food scraps, and cleaning the bin interior with a disinfectant weekly to prevent residue buildup and lingering odors. 3 common mistakes accelerate ant problems and how to fix them. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink overnight is an open invitation for ants, so wash, or at least rinse, and stack dishes promptly, and run the disposal with hot water and a citrus scrub when needed. Storing pet food in open bags or leaving pet bowls unattended leads to persistent trails, so transfer pet food to a sealed container and pick up bowls after feeding, wiping the feeding area each time. Ignoring small entry points like gaps around pipes and windowsills lets ants come and go. Locate trails and seal gaps with silicone caulk or use removable barriers like weather stripping. And clean the trail area thoroughly to erase the chemical path they follow. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and offer a discussion community where users share experiences and tips about issues like ant control. We help contractors find work by making it easy for them to participate in conversations, answer homeowner questions, and showcase their services to a targeted audience.